Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Vishnu's IAS Academy. Welcome to a session on Indian history mains answer writing. Now, there has been a lot of demand for this particular session where students in the class have asked how to write good answers. Now, my reply always has been that a good answer cannot be written in a day. It takes time. And the only way, the best way to write good answers is practice. The more you practice, the better you become. It's a simple mantra. More and more practice is required. I always say in the class, I don't mind bad answers. What I mind is that you are not writing answers. You are not writing enough answers. That's the worst thing. Write answers. What will happen? Initially, you will make some mistakes. But slowly and slowly, those mistakes will removed or will go away because you would start identifying, okay, I'm doing this mistake, I'm doing that mistake. And then slowly and slowly, you will not repeat those mistakes. So my earnest request to everyone who is watching this lecture is that write as many answers as possible. Get them corrected. And here you have an excellent I would say group of faculties. You have excellent mentorship program where Vishnu sir himself has been checking a lot of your answers. The mentors check answers. They give you personal one-to-one feedback. So all that works. Trust me, maybe today some of you might not get the idea how much that is working for you, but once you qualify, you will give your credit to the success. Success credit to some extent would go to all of this what is happening right now, right today. Now, let me tell you certain important things apart from this what I said. Whenever you see a question, I see people, they jumping to write the answers. And I can understand. Reason for that is you have 180 minutes to write 20 questions. So it's like 9 minutes to write one answer. So people are always in a rush to start writing the moment they see the question. And I would not say that you shouldn't do that, but then one of the things that you should always think is read the question, try to understand the question. See, always understand the question and then start writing. Understanding is not in the examination hall only. Understanding starts right from the day when you have started preparing your exam. You have started preparing for the exam. You have to understand the exam itself. Question paper comes much later, but then understand the exam. Now, how do you do that? I'll show you something. We always say that there are certain things that must be known to everyone. One, syllabus of your exam. Now, if you will see the syllabus of history, as far as mains is concerned, they have given one line for art and culture, 2 lines are there for modern, 1 line is for post-independence, and 1 line is for world history. So, first understanding is that we should understand what exactly is required from us as far as the syllabus is concerned. So, for example, if you look at world history syllabus as far as your mains is concerned, there they clearly say that world history events from 18th century, like let's say Industrial Revolution, World Wars, redrawal of national boundaries, they talk about philosophies like socialism, etc. Now, if you will see, they have not explicitly mentioned Russian Revolution or French Revolution or American Revolution, but then these topics come. So, first of all, we need to understand syllabus. And to understand the syllabus, one very important ingredient is your PYQs. Always look at the PYQs. You should have the complete set of PYQs, at least as far as your mains is concerned, from 2013 onwards. That was the year when your syllabus had changed. So you should definitely have all the PYQs mains PYQ from this year. So if you see here, since 2013 till 2024, overall, 17 questions have come in 12 years. The best performance was, of course, 2013, and then some really bad years for world history. Now, trust me, 17 also, because I'm in a generous mood. If you will ever see the questions, out of these 17, 4 were which were not directly linked to world history. They had some ingredient of world history, but they were linked to modern also. So, out of 17, genuinely, your UPSC has only given 13 questions completely from world history.
Thank you.